If you have a record and think Phoenix won't hire you, that's not actually the problem. The problem is most people apply to the wrong side of the Phoenix job market. Phoenix has hundreds of thousands of logistics, construction, hospitality, and industrial jobs, and constant turnover in the roles that actually keep the city running. In this video, I'll show you which Phoenix jobs quietly hire people with records every week, and which ones waste your time. Phoenix isn't a prestige city, it's a distribution city. Warehouses, construction sites, resorts, data centers, manufacturing plants, and service contractors keep this metro moving, and those jobs operate very differently than government or customer-facing roles. If you don't understand that difference, rejection feels personal, even when it isn't. Here's the truth about Phoenix hiring. This city doesn't hire based on image. It hires based on coverage and reliability. Jobs tied to logistics, construction, facilities, and large-scale operations open constantly, not because people fail, but because turnover is built into the system. Phoenix is one of the fastest-growing metros in the country. Growth creates pressure. Pressure creates demand. And demand changes how employers evaluate risk. For people willing to show up consistently, that pressure creates opportunity. In a minute, I'll explain the biggest mistake people make when they hear Arizona jobs, and why many applicants unknowingly disqualify themselves before anyone even reviews their experience. But first, you need to understand how Phoenix actually structures hiring, and why centralized hiring and decentralized hiring follow completely different rules. You can't job search Phoenix like it's one city. Here's the reality. The West Valley, Goodyear, Buckeye, Tolleson, Glendale, Avondale. This is the logistics and distribution heart of the metro. Massive fulfillment centers, manufacturing and industrial operations. Downtown Phoenix and the I-10/I-17 corridor. Healthcare systems, government offices, and commercial operations. More screening for public-facing roles, but contractor work exists. Temp and the East Valley. Mesa, Chandler, Gilbert, Arizona State University, tech campuses, data centers, and growing industrial parks. Sky Harbor Airport area, aviation support, cargo, logistics, and hotel work. Scottsdale and the resort corridor, hospitality, golf resorts, and tourism. Front of house is selective. Back of house operates differently. And here's the truth most people avoid. If you rely on Valley Metro, the bus and light rail system, your job options depend heavily on which routes you can actually access. The light rail connects downtown Phoenix to Tempe and Mesa, but many West Valley logistics jobs require other transportation. Being honest about geography is not limiting yourself. It's playing the game correctly. Here's something important to understand about Arizona. Arizona has ban-the-box policies for many state and local government employers, which delays criminal history questions until later in the hiring process. Private employers aren't covered statewide, but hiring practices vary widely by industry. Arizona offers a set-aside process for certain convictions. A set-aside doesn't erase the conviction from your record, but it shows that you've fulfilled all requirements, and a court has officially set aside the judgment. Arizona also offers restoration of civil rights for eligible individuals. Not all records qualify, but many employers don't require clearance for operational roles. And regarding the Work Opportunity Tax Credit, WOTC, this is a federal program that gives employers a tax break for hiring you. While the WOTC program is currently in a federal hiatus as of early 2026, the 28-day deadline still applies. Tell employers to submit your paperwork now so they can claim the credit retroactively once Congress reauthorizes the program. You are not asking for a favor. You are offering reliability, labor, and value. When people think Phoenix jobs, they often think government roles, corporate offices, or customer-facing positions. Those are some of the most regulated and selective jobs in the metro. But that's not how most of Phoenix works. Phoenix is powered by distribution centers, industrial parks, construction zones, hospitality support operations, contracted labor. Many of these jobs are filled through staffing companies, subcontractors, or decentralized hiring managers. Not a single corporate HR filter. And most people never make that distinction. so they apply where scrutiny is highest and miss the roles designed for speed, coverage, and supervision. So what does intentional actually mean in Phoenix? It means separating centralized roles from decentralized roles, understanding which jobs are corporate screened versus contractor hired, having documents ready before you apply, using staffing agencies strategically instead of mass applications, and case by case from the employer's side. That means someone's reading your application and weighing the role, the offense, and how long ago it happened. Give them something to work with. Strategy beats volume every time. And as we go through these pathways, listen closely, because some of the most stable jobs in Phoenix are the ones most people never hear about. Number 1. Phoenix is one of the largest logistics hubs in the Southwest. The West Valley, including Goodyear, Buckeye, Tolleson, and Glendale, is packed with distribution centers supporting retail, food, medical supplies, and e-commerce. The I-10 corridor running west from Phoenix has massive fulfillment operations. The East Valley, Chandler, Gilbert, Mesa has growing industrial parks. These facilities operate 24/7. Overnight and early morning shifts are common. Turnover is constant. Many of these employers care less about history and more about attendance, shift reliability, safety compliance. If the warehouse needs coverage and you show up consistently, that matters. Number 2. Phoenix is always building. Residential developments across the West Valley and East Valley, infrastructure expansion, commercial construction, data centers. This creates constant demand for general labor, site prep, material handling, equipment support, cleanup crews. These roles are often hired through subcontractors, not corporate HR departments. Supervision is built in. Work is visible. Reliability keeps you employed. Number 3. Hospitals, resorts, schools, apartment complexes, and commercial buildings rely on crews that show up every day. Maintenance, janitorial, HVAC support, landscaping, and building services are operations roles, not prestige roles. They are reviewed differently. These jobs exist whether the economy is hot or slow, because buildings still have to function. Number 4. Phoenix has a massive healthcare footprint. Banner Health is one of the largest health systems in the country, with multiple hospitals across the Phoenix metro, including Banner University Medical Center. Honor Health operates hospitals in Scottsdale and the North Valley. Valleywise Health, the public safety net system, serves Maricopa County. Mayo Clinic has a campus in North Phoenix. But clinical roles are not the entry point. Support roles are environmental services, food service, laundry and linen, facilities support, patient transport. Many of these positions are filled through contractors, offering stable hours and growth paths. Number 5. Phoenix has a massive hospitality sector. Resorts, hotels, golf courses, event venues, and convention spaces. Scottsdale's resort corridor employs thousands. Downtown Phoenix has convention hotels and event spaces. The airport area has hotels serving business and leisure travelers. Front desk and guest-facing roles are often more selective, but back-of-house roles operate under different rules. Housekeeping, kitchen support, facilities, banquet setup, event teardown. These positions are structured, supervised, and constantly turning over. Showing up matters more than your past. Number 6. Phoenix has a significant higher education presence. Arizona State University, ASU, is one of the largest universities in the country, with campuses in Tempe, downtown Phoenix, and the West Valley. Grand Canyon University is in West Phoenix. The Maricopa County Community College District operates multiple campuses across the metro. These institutions need support staff for custodial services, dining services, facilities support, grounds maintenance. Many of these roles are filled through contractors, but they offer structure, steady schedules, and stability. Number 7. Here's one most people miss. Valley Metro operates the light rail connecting downtown Phoenix, Tempe, and Mesa, plus bus routes across Maricopa County. Transit systems use contractors for vehicle cleaning, depot support, facilities work, station maintenance. But second chance doesn't mean no check. Transit contractors typically perform criminal background checks and may require motor vehicle record reviews for certain roles. These frequencies can vary by specific vendor and contract, so check with your specific contractor for their current policy. If you can pass a standard safety screening, these roles are stable with room for advancement. This is exactly why staying until the end matters. Most people never hear about pathways like this. Number 8. Phoenix Sky Harbor. International Airport is one of the busiest airports in the country. That creates opportunity in cleaning and facilities support, cargo and logistics, food service and concessions, ground support operations. Many of these roles are filled through vendors and contractors, not the airport authority directly. Some roles require badging and security clearance. Others, especially contractor-based support, operate differently. Know the difference before you apply. Let me be clear. Second chance hiring does not mean guaranteed hiring. It means role-specific review, structured supervision, evaluation based on consistency, not perfection. Anyone promising otherwise isn't being honest. National data consistently shows that second chance employees perform the same or better than other hires. Yet unemployment for people with records remains dramatically higher than the general population. That gap isn't ability, it's access and strategy. If you've been rejected repeatedly in Phoenix, pause before blaming yourself. The issue is usually strategy, not eligibility. The moment you understand how Phoenix hires, you stop being just another applicant and start becoming a strategic candidate. Here's what actually works in Phoenix. 1. Contact Arizona at Work. This is Arizona's workforce development system. They have offices across Maricopa County, in Phoenix, Mesa, and the West Valley. Ask specifically about reentry services and employer connections. 2. Separate centralized roles from decentralized roles. Corporate offices, government jobs, and customer-facing positions are screened heavily. Warehouses, construction sites, and facilities hire for coverage. 3. Apply where supervision is built in. Supervised environments evaluate differently than autonomous roles. 4. Use staffing agencies strategically. Contractors often review backgrounds differently than direct employers, especially for high turnover roles. 5. Understand Arizona record relief options. Arizona offers set-aside and restoration processes for certain convictions. Not all records can be cleared, but many employers don't require clearance for operational roles. 6. Focus on consistency, not volume. 10 targeted applications to the right systems will outperform 100 blind submissions. Small steps. Focused energy. That's how this works. Felon-friendly jobs. Now exists to organize second chance job pathways by city, honestly and clearly. We don't promise outcomes. We don't make up numbers. And we don't send people into systems that were never built to accept them. What we do is map the parts of each city that actually move, so you don't have to learn the hard way. Phoenix-specific resources, employer pathways, and record relief information are linked in the description. No email required, no paywall. Phoenix is not closed to people with records. It's structured. Warehouses are expanding. Construction is constant. Facilities need coverage. Hospitality support roles turn over every week. The doors are there. You just have to know which ones to walk through. Once you understand the system, the job search stops feeling random and starts moving forward. If this video helped you focus your search more clearly, share it with someone in the Phoenix area who's looking for work. Clear information leads to better outcomes.